This video is brought to you by Manscaped.com. The star of the show, the all-new Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra. In the hand, you'll instantly notice the difference. From the sleek matte finish, combined with the glossy black combo, more importantly, it's just a comfortable tool to hold on to. It's got a nice weight in the hand, ergonomic contouring, and diving straight into the deep end, the major upgrade to the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra has to be their next-gen dual SkinSafe blade heads, offering an upgraded trimmer blade alongside an interchangeable foil blade for a faster, smoother, and overall more precise feel and performance. To make things more interesting, there's the foil blade, designed to leave you with the smoothest, sleekest, and completely bare finish down there. Sort of like having two trimmers, except paying for the price of one. And they haven't changed our favorite feature. It's still waterproof too, which means you can choose to trim freely in front of a mirror, but also save some time and multitask in the shower. Better yet, Manscaped has even updated their LED spotlight, which I didn't think could get better, but here we are. Plus, you can try it risk-free for 30 days with easy returns, so trust me when I say your balls will thank you.